welcome to Precalculus Concept 24G, trig functions in the unit circle, and this is a very short video because all we're going to do is learn how to evaluate trig functions with a calculator. So go grab your calculator and come back and get ready to go. There are two boxes. Let's talk about box number one. It says find the value to 4 decimal places for the following. Okay, so let's get our calculators out and let's show you a few things on the calculator that you need to know. First of all, your calculator has two modes. Your calculator has degree mode and it has radian mode. And this is the biggest mistake that students make if they don't understand which mode they need to be in. Take a look at example A. I'm asking for the cosine of pi over 4. Pi over 4 is a radian measure, therefore my calculator must be in radian mode. Right now I can see that where my little hand is pointing, my calculator is in degree mode, so I need to change the mode. The way that you do that is you push the mode button, and you cruise down to the third line where it says radian. So I go doot, doot, and then I highlight the blinking dot or the blinking part over the word that I want, and then I push enter to change it over to radian. So now my calculator is in radian mode, so I'm going to push second and then quit to get myself to a blank screen, and notice up here I have radian mode. Sweet. Okay, cosine pi over 4, here we go. Cosine, that's pretty straightforward. Pi is second caret, and then divide 4. Notice that my argument or my angle is in parentheses. I push enter and I get 0.70710, yada yada yada. If the directions say 4 places, I write down 0.7071. So I'm going to write that down. Equals point, shoot, what was it? I just forgot. Don't do this. 0.7071. There we go. 0.7071. Okay, straightforward enough. Let's do all of the other ones that are in radian measure. So let's skip B because B is in a degree measure. Notice that C is the tangent of 1.3. If there is no little degree sign there, then it must be a radian measure. So I can hit the tangent of 1.3 radians, and I would get 3.602. So I write down, it's approximately 3.602. Okay? Secant of pi over 12, this is a radian measure. How do we punch in a secant on the calculator? There is no secant button. We have to use the reciprocal identities and remember that the secant is 1 over the cosine. So I would type in 1 divided by the cosine of the angle of pi over 12. So pi divided by 12. Okay? So I have 1 over cosine pi over 12 is how you use it in the calculator because there is no secant button. So I push enter and I get 1.035. So I write down approximately 1.035. Okay, we'll skip part E and we'll go down to cosecant of 1.5. Now there is no cosecant button, so we have to remember that the cosecant using our reciprocal identities is 1 over the sine. So I'd say 1 divided by the sine of 1.5 radians. And then I push enter and I get 1.0025. So if I'm going to 4 decimal places, I would say 1.003. So this is approximately 1.003. Okay, now let's change our calculator back into degree mode and figure out the other two. So go to mode, go down to your third option, move over to degree, push enter, second quit, and now up top I can see my calculator is in degree mode. Very, very important. So sine 30, I punch in sine of 30, I push enter, and I'm asking for degrees, and I get 1/2, or I get 0.5. And then the cotangent of 135. There is no cotangent button, so I do 1 divided by the tangent of 135, and push enter, and I get -1. Okay, so this is equal to -1. So there you go. Very, very important just to make sure you're in the right mode. Okay, here you go. You try. Find the cotangent of 250 degrees. The cotangent of 250 degrees. Okay, my calculator, I want to make sure that I'm in degree mode. I have 1 divided by the tangent of 250 degrees, since there is no cotangent button, and you get 0.36937, yada, yada, yada. If I'm going to 4 decimal places, I would write down 0.3640, and that is the correct answer.